Well, today's little project is finding the leak in Paul's rig. I already fixed his dryer hose, but boy, that's a short hose. Really needs another piece put in there. Anyway, he's down below and he's about to turn on the water. See if we can find this leak. Go ahead. Whoa! Found it. Well, at least it's easy. And that's our culprit. But I would suggest doing both of these since we're in here. Yeah, they literally came out in pieces. I went ahead and did the hot as well because I knew if the cold was that brittle, the hot was right behind it, and it was actually harder to get out than the cold was. But anyway, now we need 2 washers. I zip tied those up so that hopefully they won't vibrate too much. The water's on and no leaks. I have spent the day printing new pieces for my step motor. Remember the ones that I said were going to come apart? Then you pull this cover off. Pull your gear out. Be careful not to lose the cam locks in there. But it looks like mine is starting to come apart. This is sold as a complete unit. And, well, it's not looking good on the home front for salvaging this, but we'll continue on. Well, they did. And sure enough, it locked the step up. That's the only one that kind of survived, and you see how broke up it is. But anyway, I've now got the prototype for it printed up, and I'm about to print a second set here in just a little while. After dinner. And what's for dinner? We've got chicken marinated in Susan's spicy marinade. You guys know that's my favorite stuff. The spicy and the original, both are really, really good. We've got cauliflower that's going to be cheesy, creamed cauliflower. We're going to have sauteed onions and mushrooms on top of the chicken. And I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Alright, chicken's almost done. A few more minutes.
10 inches by 10 inches. Oh,
then we got mushrooms and onions and cauli. That's coming off right about now. Alright, we got our cheese melted on there. These are all but done. The chicken's getting there. And just add some mayonnaise to it and stir it up. And there you have it. Chicken breast marinated in Susan's spicy marinade. Grilled onions, mushrooms on top, and then the cheesy broccoli or cauliflower. And I always use a little bit of the extra sauce and put up on top of the chicken. Really tasty. Salt and pepper to taste. Well, overall, I would say dinner was a success. Paul loved it. And Paul's a picky eater. He even ate the cauliflower, and he doesn't like cauliflower. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great day. Great evening. Peace out.
Thank you.